A horrible economic crisis, where everything will collapse. In our interconnected world, it's crucial to understand the complexities of global economics and currency dynamics. Renowned investor Ray Dalio has valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities in the current economic landscape. Conversations with him can provide a unique perspective. As the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds, Dalio brings invaluable insights into the changing dynamics of the global economy. In this video, we'll explore his perspective on topics such as stagflation, inflation, and potential risks of conflict between rising and declining powers like China and the United States. It's essential to understand both sides' perspectives and the role of leadership in times of polarization. Additionally, we'll discuss human adaptability and cooperation's remarkable power to shape the future. Join us on this journey as we delve into Dalio's wisdom, which is relevant to the complex world of global economics and currencies. Stagflation, the balancing act. Have you ever heard the term stagflation? It's when an economy gets stuck in a rut of low growth and high inflation. The central bank has a tough job of trying to balance controlling inflation while also promoting economic growth. It's like walking a tightrope. If they fail to find the sweet spot, it can lead to a vicious cycle of economic stagnation. But did you know that excessive debt can make this balancing act even more challenging? According to Ray Dalio, one man's debts are another man's assets, and managing this complex interplay can result in stagflation. It's a delicate dance, but one that's crucial to keep our economy humming along. Understanding stagflation requires a grasp of inflation. Inflation happens when there is too much money and credit in the economy compared to the amount of goods and services available. This means that if there is more money than goods, prices go up. How severe inflation is depends on the balance of money and credit to goods and services over time. Concerns about inflation have recently increased due to the significant rise in money supply and government spending. Factors like the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical tensions have driven this increase. Although supply chain disruptions have played a role, most of the inflation comes from the increase in money and credit creation. Ray Dalio has pointed out significant changes happening in the global economy. In the past, the United States was the clear leader in both military and economic power. However, China's rapid growth has challenged this dominance. China has become a major trading partner for many nations, which has raised concerns about the future of global currencies. Dalio points out that the US dollar's position as the main reserve currency in the world is now being questioned. The dollar's strength and wide acceptance have allowed the United States to print money that is accepted globally. However, this privilege is now in danger due to the devaluation of all currencies worldwide. As we look back at history, we can see the potential for conflict between nations with varying levels of power. It's a delicate dance that requires careful consideration and attention. While we hope for peaceful interactions, it's important to recognize that tensions do exist between some nations. For example, take China and the United States. They have had their fair share of disagreements, from trade to technology and even military actions. It's a complex situation that we should all be paying attention to. Understanding the Chinese perspective is essential in this context. China's leaders are primarily focused on maintaining the Communist Party's power and managing domestic issues like corruption, demographic challenges, and environmental problems. They operate under a system that's different from Western democracies, driven by Confucian principles. China's leadership views its model as the path to prosperity. They seek to avoid disrupting the global order, but desire to be as powerful, prosperous, and healthy as possible within that system. Their vision of success includes a strong nation, and they're willing to employ top-down, hierarchical governance to achieve this. Great leaders, as Dalio points out, vary according to the times and circumstances they face. Adenauer's leadership was deemed great in post-war Germany. But different challenges require different qualities in a leader. Great leaders understand the circumstances and can rally their populations behind a shared vision. In the current environment, there's a need for leadership that can bring people together in a time of increasing polarization. It's essential to find a strong middle ground and avoid the extreme fringes that can lead to conflicts and disruption. Dalio's perspective ultimately highlights the incredible power of human adaptability and cooperation. While the world faces complex challenges, history shows that humanity has consistently overcome them through innovation and adaptability. The future of global currencies remains uncertain. But one thing is clear: the power to shape that future lies in the hands of people around the world. By working together, finding common ground, and embracing thoughtful disagreement, we can navigate the ever-changing global economic landscape. In conclusion, Ray Dalio's insights remind us that history offers invaluable lessons for understanding the present and shaping the future. As we face economic challenges and shifts in global power dynamics, we can work together and adapt, which will ultimately determine our success in navigating the complexities of the modern world. If you found this video helpful, remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on finance, economics, and the ever-changing world around us. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you valuable insights and knowledge to help you thrive in today's dynamic environment. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.